so that goes off. And now remove these 4 screws. One up here. Two. Now for probably the hardest part, use one of these, or you can also use like a credit card, you know, or a Safeway card, or whatever's the thinnest. I'm just going to use this thing. And you got to run it along the top here. Start at the corner, because that's usually the loosest. Right there, and it's out of focus, but whatever. And then just run it along. When it gets tight, do a little twist, pop it. And be careful, because you don't want to break anything. Like I said, you should have the power down when you're doing this, but I don't really care. It sounds like it's breaking, but you should be cool if you're doing it right. Gently break it. Just joking. Little things should pop off. Just don't never pull straight out on them, always popping out. Blah blah blah. If you're not comfortable doing this, then don't do it. Take it to a repair shop. Spend a bunch of money. So I'm getting kind of busy. I'm not power down right now. I don't want to mess anything else up. Alright, once you're out, you should be able to just kind of slide the bottom part out. I already had the battery removed, so there we go, we got the screen exposed, this piece face off, so we're good on the N120. And where did I put that screwdriver? Over here. So next, these, I think these are the 4 screws they're talking about that you need to tighten. You can't get to them unless you remove these 2. So we're going to take these 2 off, or these 4, there's 2 on each side. You're going to want to remove, and you're not going to want to drop them down there. I'm sorry my hand's in the way the whole time. There we go. 2. Need some background music. I should have thrown that on. Well, anyway, I got all those out, and the back kind of falls down. You want to be careful with this thing for a lot of reasons. But anyway. So then you can see there's 1, 2 screws on each side. And that thing's kind of magnetic. Kind of wild. Anyway, so these are the ones you're going to want to tighten. Gently apply pressure from the other side. Get that mofo as tight as you can without breaking the screen. The screen will break, but make sure and be very careful to keep the screen in place, because there is a little wire attaching it that will break if you slip it off what it's supposed to be. So I'm just going as tight as I can on those things. I'm not sure if there's any specs pound, but I'm going to get this thing tight. And here's the other side. The tighter the better, right? That's a good rule of thumb. So, like I said, I already did this once and loosened them to try and see if the flicker would come back. I didn't see nothing, but I'm going hoping there ain't gonna be none. The first time I did it, there wasn't any. So, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I didn't really see any videos on there. Make it easy to. Okay, so that feels all pretty tight. So, yeah, put those little 4 screws back down in the bottom. Make sure it's all lined up properly. Pretty basic, just doing the opposite of what you did before. Make sure and get everything down nice and snug. And double check tightness. Good to go. Now we'll replace this thing. Double check, make sure you got all your screws in. Slide this little bitch in. You want to click those back ones kind of down first, just to get it to sit in. At least that's what I like to do. I like to hit it from the back first, you know what I mean? And flip it around. That's just me. Some people like to hit it from the back second. And just go around and clickety-clack. Make sure they're all kind of lined up. They'll sit in there right. Kind of run your thumbs around it. So it clicks in all the places that it had to unclick prior. And then just look around the edge and make sure you got nice smoothness. You know, like you did before you bought it. And then those nice and tight too. That's going to hold everything together well. Keep it from becoming loose again. And hopefully this is going to fix your screen flicker problem. Pretty easy fix. I was kind of worried when it first started happening. Kind of pissed off a little bit because I'm not in my warranty for Samsung. And I was almost ready to reinstall the operating system, flash everything, or take apart the whole effing thing and see what was going on up in there. Thought it might have been the video card. Then our trusty old internet and the World Wide Web told me that I could pop it open and tighten those screws. So I looked for a video, couldn't really find one. So I have a little experience in opening these things. And by the way, when you take these rubber things off, I use a sticker backing. And then that way they come off, they don't stick to anything else. And it saves your stickiness. But anyway, I'd make this little video. If you've never opened one of these N120 screens before. And if you guys like my ham, hit me up. Let me know what you think, if this video helped you, or if it was terribly boring and informative and I did something wrong. I'll just run this bitch to a little test. Plug it in. I mean, I don't think there's going to be any flicker. If there is, then I did something wrong. I don't even think I'm going to post this video. We're into 12 minutes. It's a pretty long video. If I can edit some of that shit out. No flicker or nothing. I mean, it used to do little glitchy things before, so I think we're good to go. Is that flicker? No. Looking pretty good. Anyway, I think we're at full brightness. And we're charging. Well, anyway, that's it. Remove, tighten. You guys are good to go, huh? Damn. N120 bitches.